Hello everyone, this is our Eriba Car C602 that has arrived to the forecourt. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of this vehicle. So some important features to know about the Eriba Car C602. It's 5.99 metres in length and it's 2.07 metres wide. So if you are after something that's that happy medium size, it's not too big, but also gives you a comfortable living space. This could tick a lot of your boxes. It's 3.5 tonne. And obviously one thing which does stand out about this specific vehicle is the two-tone metallic paint, which is very stunning. You've got your front and rear parking sensors as well, and you've got your chrome grille as well as your 17-inch gloss black alloys. So this vehicle comes with a lithium leisure battery. You've got your electric hookup at this side, your toilet cassette, and your Truma flue. As well as this vehicle will run off electric and diesel, so you are well prepared for going off-grid. So at the back we have our lovely rear lounge layout. You've got your barn doors here as well, so if you can imagine, good sunny day like today, you're parked up at a lovely campsite and you're taking in all the sun. Your gas bottle is underneath there. You've got your reverse camera and your reverse sensors. So just before we go inside, we've got our awning strip light here just above the habitation door, and we've also got our electric welcome step. But come on ahead and we'll take a look in. If you're a tech head, this van will suit you down to a T because you've got all the latest driving technology up in the front here. So some of them that really point out to me is your heated steering wheel, you've got your heated driver's and passenger seat, and you've got all the latest safety sort of driving features as well with your adaptive cruise control, your lane keep assist, you've got your hands free. You've got a fully digital cockpit there in the front. You've got your infotainment system, so you can access everything through here. Your main connect, your control panel, is Eriba Connect, which you can access from your phone. You can also access it in here as well. And of course, you've got your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, as well as your reverse camera that's built into the infotainment system. You've got electric park brakes, you've your fully automatic drive here, your automatic lights. It's everything that you need just for an easy driving experience. So this is our living quarters. As you can see, here is the kitchen beside me, 2-ring gas burner. You've got your sink. You've full use of your cupboard storage here, as you can see. We don't have a front dinette with this vehicle, obviously, because you've got that rear lounge set up with your long bench seats. So instead, you've got an additional storage cupboard in the front, and your fridge is here. It's a compressor fridge, so it'll only run off the electric. And just above the driver's seat is the control panel, which I was talking about in the previous clip, basically where you access everything. And as I was saying, you can download the Eriba Connect app to your phone and access it there. This is the bathroom, so it is a wet room, but they have quite cleverly utilised the space here. You've got your storage cupboard there. Your sink folds up out of the way, so just pull it down basically whenever you're using it. You've got your mirror here, because obviously you need your mirror to get ready in the mornings, and that actually has a bit of storage behind it for your toiletries. So this is our rear lounge at the back, and of course with there not being a front dinette at the front, they really have made sure that this rear lounge is nice and spacious. I would say it is pretty bigger than average, could I say. You can actually use your sofas as 2 single beds. Just behind me is your additional cushioning to make that a bit more cozy. That's like a memory foam sort of material. And then you've got your overhead lockers here. You've got a nice deep cupboard there. I suppose as well as that, you've got your table. I don't have it down right now, obviously, but That's nice if you want to use that in the rear lounge area. You've got your multimedia systems, you've got your speakers throughout the vehicle, and you've also got your USB point at the back. So that was a walk through our Eriba Car C602. If you have any inquiries, give us a shout. You can get us on 028 9269 3999, and full details covering the specification can be seen on our website.